February 5th, 2025. I took my position on NQ today. So let's get into the trade. So going into the morning, market open was around here. The new day opening gap was, I think, about 5 ticks. So I didn't worry much or create my bias around the new day opening gap. Over here on the 15-minute time frame, you can see these are London highs and also my buy side liquidity for the day because they are equal highs. And we also came down into this 1 hour BISI to this side. Let's extend that to the right. Bam. Alright, so then I drop into a lower time frame in the morning. And this is what I see in the morning right here. So right here we come down and we inverse this 1 hour BISI, and it's basically reclaimed fair value gap. So we come back up and we are respecting the consequent encroachment of this BISI so far. So if I go back to market open right here, let's make this a little easier. This is midnight opening price. So my bias was longs for the day due to the fact that we had buy side at these equal highs and it was London highs, and this 1 hour BISI got reclaimed. So market opens right here, creating this SIBI. Doesn't count as a first presentation fair value gap because it was formed at 9:30. So right here we take our minor sell side liquidity pool at 9:31, which is also the consequent encroachment of that 1 hour reclaimed BISI. So that was also leading me to be more bullish, the fact that we already took sell side liquidity. And then right here, this was leading me not to take a trade for the AM session due to the fact that we are so choppy for about 10 minutes. But right here was the first presentation fair value gap. I'll mark that out. And it's important to pay attention to the consequent encroachment, which is this white line right here. Because right here you can see that the bodies are pretty much respecting the consequent encroachment of this first presentation fair value gap. And we're also below midnight open. I was going to be bearish due to the fact that we took this high, inverse this, had a change in state. But I saw that we were respecting this consequent encroachment, so that's why I didn't take a short today. But it was also inside our time macro, so we could have. But as the morning goes on, I see that we have this inverse fair value gap. It got inversed. And then also another important factor that came into play was that right here, this is 50%, so of this price leg from 21,737 to 21,823, we came back down into a discount. And after I saw that we were respecting the consequent encroachment, and we also inversed this and respected the consequent encroachment for this, I took one position when we came back down, one position with 2 contracts, put it at this recent swing low, and my take profit was at London highs. Another thing was that SP 500 took out this low right here, which created this internal SMT, because this is a buy maker model. And then also right here we had our run on stops, stopping people out, which allowed me to go long. And that was the trade for today. Also, another confluence was this new week opening gap, consequent encroachment, and that was another target, but I took all my profits off at these London highs, which were also relative equal highs. And as you can see, for the rest of the morning, we kind of just chopped up and not much happened.